So now I'm gonna show you my homemade squishy. First is this. A squishy and slime. So next I have this one. What? No.
Why?
Why ka load? Next, I'm going to show you my new fluffy kit, slime kit. So let's get to the video. So before we get to the video, I want to ask you to subscribe and like and share this video. And if you can see the title at the below of the title, you can see the subscription. So it's here at my video. Oh, you lied, you guys. So I'm not gonna sort it. So baba, and I'm gonna show you one by one. Oh my. So it's here on my stuff. So first I'm gonna show you my shaving gel and my shaving foam. They are usually exclusive for making fluffy. Shh. Making fluffy slimes. Next, I have 2 empty bottles, 1 empty of rice solution, and 1 of empty bottle for something equipment. Next, you cannot be completed in your slime kit without slime. So I have baby oil, and a green slime, and a blue slime down, and in below. Next, I have my favorite fluffy slime. So guys, if you need, just comment below if you want a slime review. So I have a pinky slime, color like a parrot, and I have my new fluffy slime. Sorry, and I have my fluffy mint gel and shaving foamy. I don't know. And I have my cornstarch slime. This is like a cornstarch fine touch. Just comment below if you want some review. So guys, forward to, let's end this video over here. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. Bye. See you to my next video. See you later. Bye.